Does BigCommerce integrate with Shopify? Well, there should be no reason for you to integrate BigCommerce with Shopify because these are two different e-commerce platforms. 99% of businesses either use BigCommerce or they use Shopify. The only reason that you will need to integrate a BigCommerce store to a Shopify store is if you are running multiple stores on multiple e-commerce platforms. For example, you might have a website called dogcollars.com on Shopify and catcollars.com on BigCommerce. And you might want to pull all the orders into one platform, and this kind of integration could be done through the APIs of both platforms. And the reason that you want to integrate BigCommerce with Shopify is maybe you want to share the inventory of products. You want to pull all the orders into one platform so you can have one admin panel to process all the orders from. Or some people actually use a Shopify for the front end and BigCommerce for the back end, which is the B2B sales. So whatever the reason that you have to use two different platforms for, you can integrate BigCommerce to Shopify. But then again, if you are in that 1% exception, majority of people either use Shopify or BigCommerce.